Hello, everyone. My name is Miss Saur, and I am the music teacher here at Calvary Christian School. Thank you so much for watching this open house video so that you could get some explanations concerning the music program this year and get a little tour of the music classroom if you've never had a chance to come in here. Since many of you know, I am the only music teacher here. So to give you a brief summary, I teach general music for kindergarten, first grade, second grade, third grade, and fourth grade. I teach fifth grade band, sixth grade band, fifth and sixth grade choir, seventh and eighth grade choir, high school choir, and seventh through 12th grade band. I also am in charge of different extracurricular activities. One of which being the jazz band, the drama program, and I also help with a lot of worship teams. As I said before, besides this introduction to me, this video is so that we can talk a little bit about what the music program is going to look this year, as well as have a nice little tour of the music room. So let's start off with the tour of the music room. I'm currently sitting at my desk, and so I'm going to pick you up and move you around. Over here, we have a lot of our storage for our music. And everything is still a little bit messy as we continue to clean and get everything ready for the school year. Over here, you'll see our chairs. They have been sanitized, and the students will sanitize them after they have used them. We have various stands and musical instruments as you go around the room. This is very fun back here. Here is our little music mural. It's a reminder to us that, we can use music as an example, that every single one of us is a note and we're part of God's song. In other words, His plan. And it's a really nice reminder for that. As you notice, we have lots of places and lots of storage for a lot of stuff for plays and for music. We have other school instruments and a lot of different things that we use for activities. We have cubbies to hold music. We have many activities on bookshelves. We have our piano, our smart board, and a nice large area where we can do different music activities while still staying safely apart, and fun little music notes so that we know exactly where to sit. So that is the music classroom. It's a very large room, which is absolutely wonderful as more and more students join music, or we have more space to do a lot of activities. But it's a very short tour because it's just one large room, which is absolutely fantastic for music. So things are going to look a little bit different this year as we figure out how programs are going to look based on our current situation. You're going to be notified as we make our decisions after we discuss and pray about it and ask the Lord for wisdom on what is the best way to continue to glorify Him through music, and also keep everyone safe and be a witness during this time. I'm so excited to see everyone again very soon, and I really am. It's so quiet here, and it's going to be so nice to hear instruments and singing and laughing again. The Lord, I know, has taught me a lot these last few months, and I really pray that we have an amazing school year no matter what happens. I encourage you all to pray that we continue to look to God for joy during these times and seek His wisdom. God bless you all, and I can't wait to see you soon. Have a great rest of your summer.